Santa Rosa's Larkfield-Wikiup community blends suburban comfort with proximity to Sonoma County's top medical centers. The need for reliable American Heart Association certified CPR training is critical. Our safety training seminars Santa Rosa location provides exactly that: convenient, affordable, and professionally led BLS, ACLS, PALS, CPR, and first aid classes. Whether you're a nurse renewing your BLS card, a first responder maintaining ACLS certification, or a parent or teacher wanting to learn CPR for emergencies, our training center is designed for you. Our blended learning model combines self-paced online modules with in-person skills testing, giving participants both theoretical knowledge and hands-on confidence. With daily classes, weekend and evening scheduling, and same-day certification cards valid for 2 years, this Santa Rosa location is a trusted resource for life-saving education across Sonoma County. Enroll today at safetytrainingseminars.com.